I was going to deliver this video as the giant jumbled mess that it is, but I feel that you deserve the context that you need in order to understand this video. This is a jumbled up mess of the events over the past week. So I'm gonna sort of narrate this, starting off with the behind the scenes footage, exclusive behind the scenes footage of Shayna's most recent video. This is the behind the scenes Shayna videos. Look at how excellent she applies her makeup. River, what are you doing? So I pretty much have two of everything except for a microphone. So I'm using the onboard microphone for this. It's pretty terrible, I'm sure. I should make you use the onboard microphone. What? For all the tech geeks out there, this is the setup. 5D, microphone, sideways, monitor, light, dog, girl. And that's really all you need for a successful YouTube channel. It looks kind of like a pig right now. Wink, 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 wink. That's weird. And then moving on, I had a business meeting a week ago today, and it was about a project for stuff. Right now, ooh, way too bright, way too bright. Okay, I need sunglasses. Help. If you're wondering why I look kind of like a human right now, it's because I'm headed to a meeting for some business stuff. It's gonna be great. Yeah! Got out of the meeting, got out of Best Buy. I got a card reader because, well, I broke mine. And then on Monday, Shayna and I went to lunch together.
Hey.
I'm such a happy individual.
What are you doing that to my face?
What do you do that for?
Why do you do that for?
And then we went to the grocery store later that night.
Do you want a Starburst or a Tootsie?
A Tootsie?
A Tootsie.
You're so good looking. See? Do that again.
What?
Do that again.
What did I do?
Just do that again. Yeah, you see that? That was good looking. Two.
What kind of those?
I don't know, I just froze up. I'm scared of the camera. It's that time of year, y'all. Ow, don't pinch.
No, you got me a lot of really sorry.
I didn't mean it. And then here are some just random clips that I thought were funny. Do you think we're gonna be famous?
No.
Why? River, no, don't do that. Sit. Oh, good boy. Can I have a paw? Or can I just have your face? Oh, give me your face.
That's disgusting.
What? What?
You're eating fluff with a fork.
So? So now I have to go pick up Shayna a coffee because we had a little miscommunication this morning. What the f? Driving so slow. What are you looking at? So, you know, today's one of those days where you just... Had a bit of a snow situation last night. It's funny, it was like 60 degrees 3 days ago. Now it's snowy again. That's just the New England effect. It happens every year. We'll have a ridiculously warm day and then a snowstorm 2 days later. I am pretty happy to say that this is pretty light and it's very easy to get off my car. Just a brush, not like I'm scraping anything. And then today I said bye to Shayna because she was going to work for the day. Bye.
Bye. I love you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, can I have a kiss?
I have lipstick on. You just got on my lens.
Bye. And then last but not least, I did this. I'm gonna try something that's almost definitely a really, really bad idea. It's like lightly snowing right now. It's nothing crazy, but I wanted to try this. I don't usually blindly take advice that people give me, but I was told that as long as you keep the cover, the plastic cover on this, the way that the propellers blow the snow, it won't like mess it up. See, I haven't flown this in like 3 months, so that means I have to spend one entire battery life calibrating it and then another entire battery life flying it. Okay, so far so good. Try to find a cool picture to get. This is really cool. I'm not really going for any crazy cinematic shots. I just wanted to see if I could do it without it dying. I'll be damned, it's dry. It's completely dry. That's ridiculous. Literally, like, not a drop. Well, I'll be damned. That's quite impressive. River, come inside. Come on, buddy. What are you doing? I have to go to the grocery store. River, come here. Ugh. Can I have a paw? Can I have a snowy paw? Huh? Can I have a snowy paw? Can I have a snowy paw? Give me a snowy paw. Please give me a snowy paw. Give me a snowy paw! Come on, let's go outside. River! River! That's today's video. I apologize for the recent content and how it hasn't been good. The good content is coming. I've just had some personal and work stuff that's just gotten in the way of doing that, so stay tuned for that. My name is Matt, and this microphone has been off the entire time. It's not even plugged in. It's just